That drop, that view and that sun. See you later, my friend. Hey guys, so we just stopped our beddy with food from IKEA. Weirdly enough, that we were only allowed one refill, and they didn't do any fries downstairs. It was upstairs, so we had to pay like nearly €2 for one plate. So
yes, the side, but it's fine. It's fine.
It's still
part of the experience. We had cake as well, so yeah, we're feeling quite stuffed, so it's all good. So yeah, no, this episode in any case won't be about IKEA. It will be about the power of nature and an explosion of colors. So we're gonna be seeing a lot of red, black, green, white, all together with the blue of the ocean and the blue of the sky. So yes, we're really excited for this, and we'll be heading southwest. So let's go. Oh, you can see a little snippet of what we're gonna be seeing shortly. The Salinas, the saltworks. So yeah, we just got to the Salinas de Janubio, so the only saltworks in the island. We are in a mirador at the moment, on a panoramic point, Mirador del Janubio, and we'll be seeing the old Salinas, the old saltworks from above. So I was saying in the intro, there's gonna be a lot of white as well in this episode. That's why, because of all the salt here in the Salinas. So yeah, these Salinas, in the heyday of production, they used to be able to produce up to 10,000 tons of salt per year. Then with the invention of the refrigerator, the production obviously decreased. But yes, they still produce a lot of salt per year, around 2,000 tons per year. And the salt gets sold in the little shop, like the little brown building that you saw. So it gets sold there. And yeah, it's still mainly used for preservation of the fish. So that's the main use of the salt at the moment. But yeah, it's quite impressive. It looks like a mosaic in a way, like a piece of art. So yeah, unfortunately it was a very quick, more like stop and see the view with the Salinas, because it wasn't allowed to walk all the way to the sea. So we saw a couple of guys that were trying to walk. There was like a sign, a big sign saying prohibido el paso, so you can't really walk in there. But they tried, and the lady from the shop went out and shouted at them, said, "No, you can't go, you can't go." So they kind of like ran it back. So yes, we weren't allowed. We even thought, oh, what if we drove down? I wonder what would have happened if we actually drove down there.
And there was actually a security guard on
Yes,
the side.
there was even a security guy. So yes, we wouldn't have made it there. They would have probably called the police or something.
Well,
I don't know. But
he had a slow reaction because the woman was the one that chased the guy.
Yes, she chased them. So yes, now like we're gonna be on our way to the next spot. We're gonna see a lot of black this time, and yes, it's the Hervideros, Los Hervideros. So we're going to the hot springs. So yeah, we just got to Los Hervideros, which translates as
Hot springs.
yes, and the one that you see there is the Montaña Bermeja, so that red mountain volcano. Yes, so it's nice red color.
I think it's the Angry Mountain. basically, as with the big eruption, the lava met the ocean and then solidified and then formed what you see here, really. All the terrain from afar, and then all the terrain here. So all that nice carved cliff edges, beautifully sculpted by the architect of life. So very beautiful. And those people from afar are very brave. And they look like they're fishing as well. So hopefully they're safe. Fran, what do you think?
It's absolutely magical here.
I know, that drop, that view and that sun. Oh wow, look at that sea. Oh, look at that waves. Oh, so now we're going to see another magical beach.
Yes.
With more, oh, go on, you say it.
More colours to
More
follow.
magical colours to follow, yeah.
Yes.
Not too far from here, so not a big drive, but oh, I'm shaking my boots with anticipation.
Yes. Oh wow, what a view. So we just got to El Golfo. El Golfo is the town that is like right by here, just right on the left. So now we're heading towards the beach and the green lake that they are referred to as El Golfo themselves at times due to the proximity to the village. But now we're heading to see this black beach and green lake.
So I love these red cliffs. So it's probably very similar to the Red Mountain that we've seen from afar. Maybe less soft, but you know, at least we get to see it up and close and personal. Ah.
Oh no, they closed there. But I saw, look, that person there is walking down, so maybe that's another way. We can go there.
It seems it might be closed now.
So yeah, apparently it's a shame that we can't go down. It says it's prohibited. We were hoping for a walk on the beach and, you know, looking at, but yeah, so you got this black beach which is made of volcanic sand, and you can find, I read, you can find this semi-precious stone called olivine because it's got like the olive color, and then you got the green lake, also called green podo or green lagoon, so who knows what it is between the three, but and yeah, they say it's actually saltier than the Dead Sea, so yeah, it's quite impressive.
And
but yeah,
and the impressive thing is, this is all in green.
Yeah, I'm all in green for the occasion. No, but yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. The contrast of colors.
There's a chap doing the jog down there. So how did he get down there? To be honest, I felt like jumping the fence and going down, but there's probably a reason. But no, it doesn't look too bad just to go down. Just sliding down the cliff and edge, like anything really. So we might go to this other route and give it a shot. Basically, we just parked it on blocked road, as this path is all blocked, you're not meant to go down. And we saw two cars. We managed to squeeze in front of the caravan without blocking too much of the bend.
Yeah.
So we're running down to the Green Lake.
Yes.
We gotta do it. And I'll,
fingers crossed they're not gonna take away the car.
yeah, it should be fine. Well, we're right at the front, but yeah, we'll update you in a sec. Just walking down the path now. Very long. So basically, we were just over there not too long ago. You see people on the cliffs, and then obviously there was a path to go down, but obviously it was closed off. So now we're taking this part. Lovely path. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, there you are. You was at the palm tree.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, I recognise you. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Made it, guys. We made it. Guys, we promised and we delivered. We ran and we got there.
Yes.
And I just spoken to the chap who was in behind us, and I recognised the guy. He was the one. He was the family at the palm tree.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
I just said
was
hello to him and everything. So yeah, what's the odds? Green.
Oh, so amazing, really. Oh, it's beautiful. So what do you reckon, guys? It's more of a laguna, or charco, puddle, or lake, lago? I was like looking here if I could see this stone, but I don't think I can see any unless there are like these small little fragments.
Yeah, and you have to break them open.
But they should be olive color. So.
Nah, I don't think that's it. We're on the lookout. Guys, I think we found our first one. Just by chance. There we go. I think.
Yeah, it's got that colour.
Yeah, it's got the colour and it merges with the black. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. And I think even here.
Yeah.
Fragments. Yeah, fragments.
Of it, yeah.
Yeah, just popping through. Amazing. Oh, okay, we're about to leave. Wow, look at that. That's awesome. So guys, yeah, so it was great to make the effort. Very spectacular. We're glad we got a few shots. Was able to walk on the beach. I took my shoes and socks off, so.
And it was a good, like, it was nice to see the colours, and yeah, it was.
Yeah, and find some of the little gems.
Yeah, what we think at least are those little gems.
No, I think they are. Yeah, they just come through the little rocks. So it's mainly, I think, it's the darker rocks, and then you can just spot some little green algae, olivia.
So. Like behind the black.
Yeah. So it's more the pure black ones. So.
But yeah, so we're really absolutely satisfied with what we've seen today. Absolutely beautiful.
Well, as we mentioned, we've got the main road, and then oh wow, there's even another car in front of us now. So I think the guys with the dreads that's their camper van, our car, and someone thought to join the crew. We set the scene, and now we're off. See you later, my friend. Come along with us to Playa Blanca. We'll be exploring its beautiful marina, adventuring to the most beautiful beach in the whole island, and even climbing Montaña Roja, the Red Mountain. See you guys there.